Welcome back, students. Let's start with the next topic, challenges to the political parties. We know that parties are the most visible face of democracy. It is natural that people blame parties for whatever is wrong with the working of democracy. People express their dissatisfaction with the failure of political parties to perform their functions well all over the world. This is a case in our country too. Political parties are criticized by the people. Popular criticism and dissatisfactions has focused on four problems areas in the working of political parties, or we can say that political parties have to face challenges. Number 1, lack of internal democracy. All over the world there is a tendency in political parties towards concentration of power in one or few leaders at the top. Parties do not keep membership registers. They do not hold organizational meetings. Even no regular elections are conducted. Ordinary members of the party do not get sufficient information on what happens inside the party. They do not have means or connections which are needed to influence the decisions. Leaders are having power to make decisions in the name of party. Only one or few leaders exercise supreme power in the party. The leaders, those who disagree with the leadership, they cannot continue in the party. And personal loyalty to the leader becomes more important than loyalty to the party principles and policies. The second challenge is dynastic succession. Most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedure for their functioning, and there are very few ways for an ordinary worker to rise to the top in party. Leaders take unfair advantages of their position and favor the people close to them or even their family members. In many parties, top positions are always controlled by members of one family. This is unfair to the other members of that party, and it is also bad for democracy since people do not have adequate experience come to power only because of their support. This tendency is present all over the world. For example, in Congress, the ticket is passed from Jawaharlal Nehru to Indira Gandhi, then Rajiv Gandhi to Sonia Gandhi, and then Rahul Gandhi. Third challenge is about the growing role of money and muscles. Parties, especially during elections, use money and muscle power to win in the elections. Parties are focused only on winning in elections, even they use shortcuts to win elections. They tend to nominate those candidates who have or can raise lots of money. In some cases, parties support criminals who can win elections. Next challenge is lack of meaningful choice to voters. In modern times, parties do not offer meaningful choices to the voters because there is no clear difference between two different parties, as all parties work on fundamental issues and differ in preferences and priorities to such issues. For example, in our country, India, the difference among all the major parties on economic policies have reduced. Those who want really different policies have no opinion in front of them. Sometimes people cannot even elect very different leaders, either same set of leaders keep shifting from one party to another.